Before starting the God's Eye project, first choose the color or colors of yarn that you plan on using. You need to use at least 2 different colors of yarn. Rather than having to use the entire skein of yarn, you're going to make a yarn ball so that other people can use the same color and it's easier to manipulate. Begin by finding the end of the yarn. Please try not to cut the yarn to make a new end. And you're going to make a ball by starting the yarn around your fingers. So spread 2 fingers apart and loop it around kind of loosely. You don't want it to be too tight so you can't get the yarn off of your fingers. You don't want to cut off your circulation. It's a good amount. Hold the bundle of yarn together and start looping the other way. It starts off kind of messy, but it does eventually turn into a ball.